Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make pulled beef burgers. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. These burgers are super easy to make, however we have divided this recipe into 4 parts to make it easier. The first part is the pulled beef, for which you will be needing these ingredients. 2 cups of barbecue sauce of your own choice, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 pounds of beef. Let's prepare the dry rub for the beef. In a bowl, mix all the spices together. Make sure the beef is thawed and at room temperature, otherwise it will not cook thoroughly. Marinate the beef with the dry rub well and let it sit for 2 hours at room temperature. Or you can let the beef rest overnight in the fridge for an even better marinade. Now to cook the beef, we can begin by searing all sides. Here we have used a pressure cooker, however you can use a Dutch oven or an instant pot. It took us 2 to 3 hours to cook the beef. However, in a Dutch oven, it may take 6 to 7 hours. Once you have seared all sides, you can add barbecue sauce and water to the pot, making sure that the water covers the top of the beef. Now let it cook for the appropriate time. Once the beef is cooked, it should pull apart as shown here. However, if there are bigger pieces, you can also pull them apart using a fork. Our pulled beef is now ready. Now let's move on to the second part of the burger, which is to caramelize the onions and the mushrooms. You'll be needing these ingredients. Mushrooms 2 cups, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of onions. Let's begin caramelizing. First add oil to a pan, and then the onions. Then add the salt and the sugar, and mix well. Make sure to cook the onions on low heat. Once the onions have turned golden as shown here, you can add the mushrooms and the black pepper. Mix everything together and let it cook on low heat. Once your onions and mushrooms look like this, they have caramelized. Part 3 is the coleslaw, for which you can check our previous video or click on the top right of the screen. The link is also given in the description box below. Now let's move on to assembling the burger, also the best part. For this, you will be needing the star of the show, the pulled beef, barbecue sauce, spicy mayo, mozzarella cheese or any cheese of your choice, caramelized onions and mushrooms, the coleslaw, and the burger bun. You can begin by toasting the burger bun and applying barbecue sauce to one side of the bun. Now add a generous amount of the pulled beef. Then add the cheese, caramelized onions and mushrooms, and the coleslaw. To the other side, you can apply the spicy mayo. And there you have it, our crunchy, delicious pulled beef burger is now ready. Just look at how saucy and yummy that looks. Do give this recipe a try and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the recipe. We hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.